you've got a new lease of life once you turn 50. वो सब जो पहले नहीं किया वो अब करो. So if you haven't worked out earlier, you know, try it. I have this clarity that I'm entering the perimenopausal phase.
Did it come as a shock, or were you able to absorb it?
Either you can reverse them or you can slow the process. So it's not that you have to suffer. If you take the right steps, the right guidance, I think. Chronic back issues since quite a few years now. So when I came here and I started strength training, that was, my back has been the biggest fear. But yahan aake, the right guidance, proper strength, focusing on the right muscle, on the right joint, and then the mobility exercises. It took me a bit of time to come over the fear. But I think slowly and gradually, as I gained strength and I started feeling better in my day-to-day activities, hence this journey started. Looking at him, obviously my son was looking at me, he was getting inspired. And when he saw his father, you know, that he has also joined the journey. बहुत था एक कि, oh, turning 50, turning 50, you know, अब तो 50 के हो गए. Turning 50, I wanted to achieve something in life. Why not gift myself a fitness photo shoot
With the abs.
and something that you know, I have always been so passionate about.
Hi everyone, this is Mehak Kapoor from CAF, the Wellness Hub. Welcome to Unlikely Strong. Real people, real struggles, and real stories. Today's guest is a woman who chose to strength train at the age of midlife, motivating her entire family to join her. She says discipline is freedom. Dipali, welcome to Unlikely Strong.
Thank you so much, Mehak.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much.
So how does it feel being fit at 50?
I think I'm at my fittest best right now. I think I've gained a lot of strength, stamina, and stability doing workouts for so long. And I think I'm pretty high in confidence. I think I'm at my sexiest and the sassiest best.
Oh, wow. But Dipali, according to scientific evidence and surveys, it says otherwise, that a woman tends to have declining muscle mass, declining bone density. There are hormones in the body that decline, leading to a lot of stress, a lot of physiological changes. So what were your symptoms when you discovered that you are entering a midlife, a perimenopausal or menopausal phase? What were your symptoms?
So Mehak, for the past 2-3 years, I started developing some symptoms and they caught me completely unawares. First being insomnia. My sleep took a big hit. There were days at a stretch where I would not sleep even wink. Mainly, it was slow metabolism, wherein working out, having a balanced meal, the scales just won't move, and they just showed an upward trend.
खाना बहुत लग रहा था.
हाँ, कुछ भी
ज़्यादा.
बिल्कुल कुछ भी, just nothing seemed to work. Or the third thing was my joint aches and pains and stiffness. वो बहुत हो गया था. And I used to come for workouts and I used to feel as if I just can't move. I'm working out for the first time. It was so stiff. And then I got my blood works done because I had no clue because I was caught unawares. But everything turned out fine. And then after some research and reading, I just, you know, I had this clarity that I'm entering the perimenopausal phase. So, yeah.
Did it come as a shock, or were you able to absorb it?
Yeah, initially it was tough, because however amount of preparedness you have, still when it hits you, you know, somewhere that acceptance, you know, it takes time to come.
Yes.
So, yeah, but slowly and gradually, you know, I navigated my way through the symptoms. So there is always either you can reverse them or you can slow the process. So it's not that you have to suffer if you take the right steps, the right guidance, I think.
So, Dipali, there is a rise in the cortisol levels, the stress hormones, and the estrogen, it drops. It leads to a lot of mental and emotional issues, mental stability issues. You feel mood swings. How did you cope with that and still stay motivated?
Yes, I suffered with a lot of mood swings, panic attacks, and anxiety as well.
लोगों को लगता है ये तो रियल नहीं है ऐसे ही तुम मूडी हो रही हो
हाँ, exactly. And you are irritated, you are, cranky all through the day. You are aware that you are cranky and irritable, but you're not able to do anything about it. And your family, also, I mean, the family certainly has no clue. So, obviously they tend to get angry at you, that you're cranky all the time. And obviously the vibes of the house change. But I feel, you need to speak out and express yourself as to what you're going through, especially to your partner and to your family members, because they are being impacted in the process as well as they are the biggest support that you have. So, and again, as I say, with the right guidance, right doctors, right support, right coaching, I think you tend to.
Do you feel दीपाली जैसे कभी मुझे सुनने में आता है हमारी तो मम्मी को कभी ऐसे सिम्टम्स नहीं आए?
Oh yes, हमारे पास क्या है, सक्सेस तो है, तुम्हें किस चीज का इशू है, किस चीज की कमी है.
आपने उस चीज को कैसे काउंटर किया? How did you make your family members or friends, perhaps? Obviously, men don't go through the physiological change at this point in time, और बहुत मुश्किल होता है उनके लिए समझना कि क्या हो रहा है बॉडी में. तो वो आपने कैसे कम्युनिकेट किया?
I used to joke with my husband, I think men should go for menopausal counselors, counseling, how to deal with your wife, because it is very tough. As a woman, मुझे ही नहीं, मैं ही नहीं समझा पा रही हूँ, या what I'm feeling, I myself don't know. And then I want to explain it to my husband, I want to, my family members, I want them to know, and but then you have to sit with them, explain them, or I think I gave him one or two things to read as well, It took him time too, but then gradually I think he understood it.
So at this point in time, where your body was going through a lot of changes, and you had mood swings, you had insomnia, you had, lethargy, and still you chose to strength train. Do you have any history of fitness?
Yes, Mehak, I have always been motivated towards fitness all through my childhood and all my life. I've been doing some form of physical activity, whether it's been running, skating, gymming, cycling, aerobics. But I have never really been in strength training. And when so much was happening in my life all of a sudden, and somewhere at the back of my mind, I knew that, once I get back to my fitness routine, a lot of my issues will get solved. I mean, all mental, physical, and emotional, because I had been in that journey earlier as well. And I read about the benefits of strength training, what it does, especially during menopause and later in life. And I just thought of giving it a try. And that's how, CAF happened. That's how, I think I was God sent here. And the rest is history. I just love my workouts now. I'm heavily addicted to weights. I just love it.
So, Dipali, at this stage in life, if I see a woman, there are many changes. Her body is going through menopause. Her child is going to college. There is, emptiness in the house. Then there are elderlies to be taken care of. सब कुछ एक साथ आ गया. और आप ही को डील करना है, being the woman of the house. So, tell me, how was that phase? And when you look back at it, do you feel that, oh wow, I'm a hero, you know? कैसा, वो क्या challenges थे कि सब कुछ एक साथ, सारी मुसीबतें एक साथ आ गई हैं, सारे changes एक साथ आ गए हैं?
Yeah, that was a tough phase. और मुझे लगता है मैं there is definitely a superpower, you know, because जब भी कुछ ऐसा हुआ है, भगवान ने हमेशा मेरा हाथ थाम के मुझे बिना डगमगाए मुझे आगे निकाला है. So I sat with myself and all this was going on. I sat and I did some introspection with myself, with my life, you know, how I wanted to be, with my relationships, you know, with my health. And then I made some conscious efforts. I took some conscious decisions as far as, you know, how to react or respond to a certain situation or things, or, you know, keep myself calm, or, you know, things like that. And I think that really helped. And the biggest thing was me coming for my workout classes. Because that was 1 hour when I used to come out of that stressful environment and just be here with myself. That was my me time. And, you know, I used to transfer all my stress to the iron. I just take, you know, just let it take care. So that 1 hour used to give me that happiness, lift my mood, lift my confidence. And I used to go back home much more in control, happier. And definitely then obviously then I was ready to take things as and when they used to come.
Yeah.
So yeah, that really, really helped me. And like, as I say that, you know, people, go for therapy. I go to the gym and, let the weights, teach me how to breathe again.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So, Deepali, your son went off to college. कई बार ऐसे फेज में मैंने दूसरी औरतों को सुना है कहते कि अब मैं क्या करूं, I have nothing to do with myself. But it's inspiring to see you chose that time as a me time. तो उस फेज के बारे में बताओ कि आप कैसे अपने आप को, आपने बोला मुझे ये करना है, कि आपको ये था कि मैंने अपने बेटे के लिए करना है. बस I just want you to share your emotions at that point in time, which brought you to CAF, which brought you to a commitment that you want to strengthen.
Yes, Mehak, it was a very tough phase. Obviously, बच्चा जाता है घर से, so एक void हो जाता है. You feel as if, you know, there's nothing left to do in life. Because at 18, the child has left. वो चला गया, you know. So, yes, I had some separation anxiety. I was very low. But then I gathered myself because I had to bring myself back on track. So initially I started, I'm just like Shiz, I immediately got back to cycling, which I haven't done for a long time. So I just picked up my bike one day, and that day I just cycled for half an hour. And from the next day, I started cycling for 16 to 18 kilometers every day. And I used to come back, and then I used to exercise for 45 minutes. So it used to be a good 2.5 hours of workout. So that I did for a few months. That got me back rolling. And then I started strength training. Yes, I wanted to do something in life. Fitness, health and fitness has always been a passion for me. It's always been a part of my life, a very important part. It's the way of life for me. So, and whenever I have given a long gap in terms of workouts or physical environment, my body somehow starts giving me a signal. You know, I don't know. There is somewhere I feel uncomfortable or something inside me which tells me that I have to get going again. Yes, again. And, you know, I had to be a role model for my son. Because he had actually sat and he asked me, when he saw me going so low, you know, mentally, physically, and emotionally, and he sat and counseled me. He was like, Mama, what are you planning to do with your health or your life? Because I have gone, I've flown up with my nest, Papa is busy, and what's happening in the house. And if you want to get out of it, you know, the environment remains safe. You need to change and you need to do something about it. So that was one moment which I thought that I need to, now take charge for myself and for my son as well. I have to be his role model. This is not me. That was not me. I have always been a go-getter. I have always, I've
Being in control.
I've always been in control of myself.
And like
I've
you said,
always,
you have been into fitness, कुछ ना कुछ आप कर रहे थे.
हाँ,
तो हमेशा
हमेशा.
अब आगे क्या?
yeah, and somewhere जब fitness नहीं होता, so yes, for me fitness is the thing. I mean, वो मेरे लिए सबसे ज्यादा.
Dipali, tell me one thing. According to scientific evidence and surveys, a woman tends to lose a lot of bone density after the age of 35 years. And during menopause, there was a decline by 10% every year in terms of bone density. तो आपने जब स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग शुरू किया, आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा मेरी बैक का क्या होगा, मेरे कहीं नीज ना रह जाए? लोगों ने आपको बोला इस उम्र में कहाँ जा रही हो वेट उठाने? So tell me, how did you overcome those fears?
Meg, I have had a chronic back issue since quite a few years now. So, which has always restricted the intensity of my workouts. So, when I came here and I started strength training, my back has been the biggest fear. But यहाँ आके the right guidance and a proper strength, focusing on the right muscle, on the right joint, and then the mobility exercises. I think slowly, it took me a bit of time to come over the fear, but I think slowly and gradually as I gained strength and I started feeling better in my day-to-day activities, I think that fear faded away a bit. Though I would still say that whenever I'm working out, I have to be a little careful as far as my back is concerned. But that big fear is no longer there. Having said that, this last year, like 6 months back, I injured my back while working out. I think I just became a little too over enthusiastic, and I injured it majorly. And I was on bed for almost like 2 weeks to a month. I had to go for physiotherapy. I had to come here and do some very, very slow workouts, just strengthening my back. And along with that, I developed a tennis elbow in my leg. And it was extremely frustrating because all my workouts came to a halt, back and then the arm. And for months, I just couldn't lift the weights because,
उस टाइम कभी ऐसा लगा लोग ठीक ही बोलते होंगे, नहीं करना चाहिए, या लगा कि no, I will overcome this?
Yes, मुझे कभी ये नहीं लगा कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे, because मुझे अपनी हेल्थ के लिए करना है, मुझे अपने लिए करना है, and this is something which makes me very happy. And मैं कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गई, मैं इतने लो से कहाँ पहुंच गई in this journey by doing strength training. So there's never been looking back. And there have been times when I have walked in to the gym just to check how injured I am, check तो करती हूँ कि, but yeah, it was very frustrating at times. I was very disheartened. And but yeah.
So with all those setbacks, still you just kept moving.
Yes, I did. I didn't sit at home every single day. I came for my workouts, though they were very slow, very targeted. But yes, I came. And that way I've been extremely lucky as far as my coaches, Balwinder is concerned, and even as far as my physiotherapist is concerned. They have always motivated me, even if I'm injured, they're like, no, you have to go.
Keep moving.
Just don't stop exercising. There were just a few ifs and buts, a few, this thing that, ये नहीं करना, 76 weight नहीं उठाना, ऐसे मत करना अभी for the time being. So I think that was a big patience test. I had to take it very calm.
Dipali, I also see you motivating your son, your husband. Now, I remember that time when 3 of you used to work out together. Like, I think before Pranit left for the States. So you all were there. So, and there was a special bond that you share with your son. Uh, a young son of, how old is he?
23.
Yeah. He's 23. And both of you, when you work out together, he keeps looking at you. He keeps seeking that inspiration. And he also takes care of you, like I see him. How did you develop that bond? And do you feel that strength training kind of increased your family bond in a way?
So मेरा सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट रहा है कि मैंने अपने हस्बैंड और अपने बेटे को इंस्पायर किया इस जर्नी बिकॉज बोथ आर सच लेजी बम्स never never move at all and would love to sleep but पता नहीं कैसे इनिशियली जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया सो इट यूज्ड टू बी अरे ठीक है इट्स अ रेगुलर वर्कआउट जा रही है कर रही है बट आई थिंक स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली when they saw me gaining that strength in every way, I mean physically, mentally, emotionally, उन्होंने जब देखा कि overall मेरा बहुत changes आए हैं, you know, my perspective towards life and a lot of things, बहुत सारे mixed beliefs मेरे बदले इस journey में, नए beliefs form हुए, you know, even the way I used to go out in society, you know, and, you know, I started interacting with people. And because earlier I am basically, you know, an at-home person. I don't want to step out. I just want to be around the people I'm comfortable with. But I think all that has changed quite a bit. So, जब उन्होंने ये देखा कि इतना change आया है, and I've been so disciplined, so persistent, you know, and so consistent with this journey that come hell fat fury, I have to be in the gym early morning. I think slowly and gradually it on to them. So initially my husband used to say, अरे मुझे भी ऐसे बनवा दो, मुझे ना कर दो. So I used to have, मैं उनको बोलती थी कि चलो ना, you know, साथ में करते हैं. But you know, ये चीज अंदर से आती है. You can't force anything on anybody. You know, things have to come from within. So, I don't know, one fine day last year, on Valentine's Day, I think it just clicked to him. I clicked on him, like, you know, he said, "ठीक है, let's come." And hence his journey started. And, looking at him, obviously my son was looking at me, he was getting inspired. And when he saw his father, you know, that he has also joined the journey, he was like, you know, high time, I need to join this again. I mean, even I need to join this. So yes, he was in the States. He started with a few stretches and exercises, and he started running a bit. And then a few months back, he was here for a couple of months, and he joined CAF with me as well. And then for the next 2 months, you know, there were times when he used to pester me or get after me, you know, कि अरे आप कल क्लास नहीं जा रही हो ना, हमने बेटा कल रेस्ट डे बोले थे, नहीं आई हैव टू गो, और आप सुबह 6:30 का ही क्लास बुक करोगे and I can't miss it. So yeah, that was a very very welcome change. And
आपने बहुत अच्छी बात है दीपाली बोली है that when you are into fitness, when you are into any kind of strength training, आपके जितने भी स्पेयर्स हैं लाइफ के वो सॉर्ट होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. The puzzles are solved.
Absolutely.
Whether it is at a personal level, whether it is at a family level, social level. तो आपको लगता है कि फिटनेस ने आपकी काफी चीजों को सॉर्ट कर दिया है लाइफ को?
Absolutely. I think it's not only about aesthetics. It's not about vanity. It's about your strength, your vitality, your energy. And I think it's the best anti-aging drug, I would say. Because, you know, this is one thing which will take you through later in life, you know.
बोटॉक्स का क्या करें फिर?
नहीं, बोटॉक्स भी करो, but you know, focus more on this, you know, rather than focusing on all the beauty products and the creams and stuff. I think, you know, this is a much natural process.
Yes.
और अगर आप ये करोगे तो आपको ज्यादा बोटॉक्स and सब की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, because आप अंदर से you will be feeling so nice, so confident and so healthy, you know, that doing मतलब एक छोटा सा भी काम आप घर में कुछ कर रहे हो ना, उसमें ही आपको अपनी स्ट्रेंथ पता चलती है. And it's a very different kind of confidence. I don't know, I'm not able to explain it much, but बहुत ही डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस है. एक अलग टाइप का स्वैग आ जाता है. I mean,
Yes,
I should say that.
of course.
And it's a beautiful feeling, and you know, it's hard work. It's not on. It's not hereditary, or it, you know, you didn't acquire it. It's not a quick fix. You have to be disciplined. Discipline is boring. You know, you do the same kind of workouts every day. You're eating practically the same kind of food every day, same routine. But yeah, success is boring.
So, Tipani, मुझे एक बात बताओ, जैसे you entered a phase where, you know, like I said, that your elders also needed you. और बहुत ऐसी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है, और अगर बीच में आप बोलो मुझे तो स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करने जिम जाना है, कभी आपको ऐसा सुनने में आया, अरे यार शी सो सेल्फिश? You know, women are termed selfish if they look after their health.
Absolutely.
I'm sure आया होगा, फैमिली मेंबर्स ने नहीं कहा होगा, बट किसी ने तो कहा होगा समाज में. सो आपने उस चीज को कैसे डील किया, कैसे काउंटर एक्ट किया, कैसे इग्नोर किया दैट आई हैव टू शो अप नो मैटर व्हाट?
Meg, after 25 years of married life, after like 50 years of your own life, I think you've been there, done that. आपने अपने परिवार को अच्छे से देखा है, आपने अपने बच्चे को अच्छे से बड़ा कर लिया, कोई ड्यूटीज नेग्लेक्ट नहीं करी, घर नेग्लेक्ट नहीं किया. So, you know, there comes, I feel that after 45, you know, there's this feeling which starts creeping in you that it's high time you did something for your own health or for yourself in some way or the other. And मुझे बहुत लगने लगा था कि अब हो गया, you know, अब करना है कुछ. घर में इतना कुछ हो रहा था, you know, a lot of things going on. I think I got all the more reasons to get into it. The biggest thing was मुझे दोनों ने, मेरे हस्बैंड ने और मेरे बेटे ने बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट किया इस चीज में. एंड with my mother-in-law being so critically unwell, I was very clear that कुछ भी हो जाए मैं classes miss नहीं करूँगी. I don't like working out in the afternoon or in the evenings, but there were times that when she was hospitalized, I made sure that I come in the evening and work out. There were times when I took 6:30 classes. That was the reason I took that slot, so that I come early morning, I finish that time of that in the morning, I finish my workouts and I come back. You know, my husband used to be in the hospital at that time, so we tried to manage it as and when, you know, if he's there, then I come and work out. So yes, I just didn't budge. And I think, this has been one of the biggest reasons that, because of which I have been able to tide through all the things that have lately happened in my family, the difficult times that we've gone through.
Yes.
I think this has been one thing that has kept me sane, kept me strong. You know, had kept me mental well, keep my life in control. Yes, I think I've really.
तो दीपाली, क्या क्या बाउंड्रीज सेट करनी पड़ती हैं इतने डिसिप्लिन के लिए, नॉट जस्ट फॉर पीपल बट फॉर योरसेल्फ?
यू हैव टू मैं बाउंड्री बनानी ही पड़ेगी. बिना बाउंड्री बनाए तो हो ही नहीं सकता. एंड लोगों के एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपसे खत्म ही नहीं होती हैं, आप कुछ भी कर लो. एंड समवेयर यू हैव टू बिकम सेल्फिश, नॉट इन अ बैड वे, but in a good way. You're not neglecting your duties, but then, you know, you're taking care of yourself as well. And you just have one body, you know, to take care. You will take care of it. It will take care of you. So, boundaries बहुत सारी बनी. जैसे if I step up, I have a very balanced diet, so there's just a number of calories I need to eat. और
वो बताओ प्लीज शेयर.
हाँ, so
क्या खाते हो, हम जानना चाहते हैं.
So yes, I'll just come back to it. So, you know, I have my fixed time of the day. Like I just have 2 meals a day. I do intermittent fasting for like 16 to 18 hours a day. And उसके beyond फिर मैं उसके बीच में कुछ नहीं खाती हूँ. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं खाती हूँ शाम को after 6:57 my second is done. So if we have to step out somewhere, so either I eat my meal properly at home, and then I step out. और फिर वहां पे थोड़ा बहुत हल्का बहुत ले लिया तो ले लिया. मना करती हूँ तो लोग बहुत ऑफेंड होते हैं कि ऐसी क्या डाइटिंग है, या ऐसी क्या diets है, कुछ नहीं होगा, खा लो. बट आई थिंक यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दैट लाइन. कोई बात नहीं, आप बोलते हो, यू नो, हाँ, डजंट मैटर एट ऑल. And like I said कि you know emergency आए, कुछ आए तो you know आपको जब किसी भी चीज के लिए टाइम निकालना होता है ना, तो आप निकाल लेते हो. फिर एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं है उसके लिए. एक्सक्यूजेस तो बहुत हो सकते हैं कि अरे वो बीमार हैं वो. सो अर्लियर आई वुड probably not do that कि भाई मम्मी हॉस्पिटल में है और मैं कैसे जाऊंगी. घर में मेड्स नहीं थी, there was no house help, मम्मी was hospitalized. I came for my workouts. They with house guests. I came for my workouts. सवेरे आना है, कोई बात नहीं, घर में सब कुछ है, everything is taken care of. वो 1-1.5 घंटे में कोई आफत नहीं आ रही है. I'll go back and I'll take care. I look after the house, guests को देख लूंगी. But इस पे मैं कोई compromise नहीं करूंगी. So that is how you went through building your boundaries and then working towards your health and fitness. So Diwali, you recently had your 50th birthday. खुद को आपने क्या गिफ्ट दिया? सुने बहुत था एक कि टर्निंग 50 यू नो, तो 50 के हो गए, यू नो एज हो गई, उम्र हो गई. Frankly speaking, I was quite intrigued and, you know, quite curious. And I was actually waiting to turn 50 to see what it brings to me. So I was pretty excited. And turning 50, I wanted to achieve something in life. Not just go and party that day or do something like that. But मुझे कुछ achieve करना था. So I just thought, why not gift myself a fitness photo shoot, which I had never done in my life.
With the abs.
And something that, you know, I have always been so passionate about. So, yes, I went in for it. I didn't give myself even a month to prepare. I just gave myself 10 days for the shoot. I worked out really hard. I used to have 2.5 hours of sessions every day here. And then there was certain dietary restrictions or a particular diet and the amount of water intake and everything that I had to do. But, I loved it. I loved the journey. And that sense of achievement, you know, that I achieved something, especially on my 50th.
A very short span of time. I think you said 1 month. It was less than that.
Yeah, it was 10 days. Yeah. So, I mean, like I had been training, but that's for that shoot, you know, you do need some time for the shoot. And I just gave myself 10 days because I was always, you know, already my birthday was coming near. So, yes, and it was a great sense of achievement. And I don't know, I personally feel turning 50, I think this is a beautiful new phase. You get a new lease of life in every way. Why not start afresh? वो सब जो नहीं किया, वो अब करना चाहिए. जो दिल करे, अब नहीं सोचना है कि दुनिया क्या कहेगी, अब उसको नहीं देखा, उसकी टेक केयर नहीं करी. सब करा है, आगे भी करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. But अब the priority is definitely
give your health a priority, give yourself a priority.
Definitely.
Okay, so I have some this and that questions for you. Okay, so this and that for you, Dipali. Your go-to workout, HIIT or heavy weights?
Heavy weights anytime.
Non-negotiable, a good sleep or a daily workout?
Daily workout.
Your indulgence, coffee or cake?
Oops, that's a tough one. Oh, that's a tough one. Both go hand in hand, but coffee any day.
Okay. Favorite time of workout, early morning or evening?
Early morning.
Workout buddy or workout alone?
Workout alone.
Nishit, are you listening? Magic wand wish, a sculptured body or a strong one?
It will be both, but definitely a stronger body. It definitely gives you, you know, a different kind of a feeling.
Myth you laugh at, lifting weights will make you bulk up. 50 is not the age to work out. Which one?
50 is not the age to work
out. So 50 is the perfect.
Oh, it is the age to work out. This is the time.
So Deepali, there are many women who are very who have a lot of apprehensions. जो 50 साल की है या 49 years की है या menopause में enter हो रही है. Then if they are listening to you, they feel इन्होंने तो कर लिया है, शुरू से कर रही थी aerobics या कुछ, हम कैसे करेंगे? So what is your message to them? How do you want them to see this phase and how do you want them to overcome this phase in a strong way?
So like I said, Mehak, this is, you've got a new lease of life once you turn 50. वो सब जो पहले नहीं किया, वो अब करो. So if you haven't worked out earlier, you know, try it now. You know, it has immense benefits. You feel so good in every sphere of life, like I said.
Excuses तो आती रहेंगी कभी कुछ.
हाँ, ये तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा. It's a part of life. It's a part of life. Injuries are a part of this process. But you have to, you know, genuinely love the process. You have to have a strong belief in yourself and you have to see the magic happen. You know, for me, workouts are my therapy. They are my meditation. You know, and I find them extremely therapeutic. Yes, it definitely does wonders. I think I would like to tell all the women out there that 50 is the age to work out, you know, for this phase as well as, you know, later part.
And with proper guidance.
Oh, yes, definitely. You should have good coaches, good guidance to help you support, even the support of your family members. And I feel that, you know, I just want to say that every healthy choice that you make is a quiet I love you to your future self.
Oh, wow.
So, you know, कुछ भी आप छोटे से start करो, take baby steps, but please do it. This is the only thing which will take you forward in later years of your life, you know, because strength, the stability, the vitality, you know, and the risk of, the lessened risk of chronic illness, you know, the benefits are immense. And mental clarity, everything. I think, and if you are happy, the family is happy, you know, the house is happy because the woman is the center point of the house. So, if you are happy, अपने से सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाता है.
I believe आप कुछ लिख के लेके आए थे. You want to share?
It's just something I came across. It just says that, you know, imagine the level of propaganda it took to convince generations of women that anti-aging meant creams, serums, and beauty products instead of strength, muscle, and actual health. They taught us to fight wrinkles, not frailty, to chase smooth skin, not strong bones, to buy products and not build bodies. So it's time for an aging revolution, one that prioritizes a woman's health. It's time we teach women that all bodies are aging and strength is crucial for longevity and independence. Muscle protects your bones, stabilizes your joints, keeps you moving, lifting, living, and not shrinking into some quiet, careful version of yourself. We are done buying a lie. Aging well isn't about looking younger. It's about staying dangerously capable. So yeah, use the damn face cream if you want, but if you are serious about your future, you build muscle like your independence depends on it, because it does.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Deepali. Thank you for
so
sharing
much.
that and being at our show, Unlikely Strong. Thank you so much.